Hi friends, let's understand how to open an account in TradingView. The TradingView we are using mainly for the reading of the chart, and it is a good application or operator friendly applications to understand the technical analysis of a stock. So let me share my screen. So here you have to just need to type TradingView. So this screen will come in front of you. Need to open and just open this and click onto the get started. Sign up for 0, or you can continue with your Gmail account. After doing this, just click onto the super chart. And you will get a screen like this. So this is what the process to open an account for TradingView.